Hello, everyone. My name is Joseph. I am originally from Ghana, but I live and work here in Norway. I work with children and families. I am an environmental therapist. I'm also a certified parental counselor. I'm a certified children football coach, and I'm also a parent. So I want to use this platform to interact with parents, caregivers, people who are interested in the well-being of children, so that we can share ideas and learn from each other. I would be sharing some tips that can help strengthen our role as parents in our quest to bringing up our children in the best way that we can. Subscribe to this channel and let's roll together.